If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREKML. Be sure to check out the caption, or be sure to check out the links down below for Patreon, Twitch, Just for Another Day is my Instagram. It is also my TikTok and also my Facebook. Be sure to follow me on Facebook. I'll be posting more there. Right now we got IVE Bang Bang. I already heard good things about it. I got a few dreamers telling me to check it out, so even more reason to check it out. I feel like my bias is Ray. Also, I got to shout out my birthday twin, Wan Young. But without further ado, let's check it out in 3, 2, 1, bow. Or bang, bang. Bang, bang. Oh. Is that a new sound? Oh, new scene. Aggressive. Right on me. Oh, shit. All day. Are we in the countryside? We got cowboys. Whose coin is that? On a playground. Okay. Like a twang to it. Okay. It's about to drop, y'all. Oh. Got me bouncing. Okay. Hey. 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 Bang, bang. What does it remind me of? It doesn't remind me of 007 or something. I can't put my finger on it. Okay, Ray. Oh. Ooh, the vocal effect is cool. Oh wait, what did the sign say? Oh, who the hell is that in the corner? Bang. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Interesting change up. 3, 2, 1, get it. With a bang. Let me see the dance. Hey, hey, hey. Where did they film this? This is in Europe or something? Has to be. Or is this Korea? Ooh. Bang, bang. Listen. This just even proves it even more. I feel like I'll talk about it later, actually. Oh, oh, hey, 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 hey. 2, 1. Go get it. Like a speed train or whatever that just passed by her. With a bang. Oh, puppy. What is this? It's a crazy building. Last stop. Dang, I've had a great year last year with like comebacks, and now they're coming back with a bang for real on 2026. Sheesh. They have the director, production, AD, executive producer, local producer. Shout out to everybody that worked on this. It seems like a lot of people worked on this. Oh my God. Overseas business. They shout to them. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the executive supervisor. We already know. You got shout. I don't know. Rotoscoping too. You gotta shout out them. Dang, IVE, you really did come out with a bang for real. Hold on, let me take out my glasses. They're fake anyways. No, they're blue light glasses. Never mind. Let me see it one more time, because I'm trying to remember the beginning. What is this beat? This reminds me of something. Quentin Tarantino vibe? Is it Kill Bill I'm thinking of? That's fire. With the flare. Pretty epic shots. There's someone following them. Keep your boots dirty. What? Okay, Wanya. She said she wanted to. Oh shit. The sign, I mean. Bang. Nice play with lights though. That coin too. I'll be going out with a. I wonder what's. Is it just a single, or is it like an actual album? The bang. Bang bang. Oh, the outfit too for Ray. Ooh, fire effects with the glass breaking. Fire vocal effect too. I forgot what that vocal effect is called though. Or like skips it a little bit. Glitching? With a bang. The second drop is cool. I like that a lot more. I'll be going out with a. Hey. Is that a laser gun effect? Yeah, it is. Oh shit. Oh. Hey. Oh, this shit get lit. Now the outfits are cute too. It's a little bit crazy though too at the same time. It's a bang. Shoot, well, I haven't started out with a bang. I thought like 2025 was they like best year. I mean depending on who you talk to, it could be every year is their best year. But I really thought like 2025 they were killing it. All right, y'all, put a comments down below what you guys think of IVE Bang Bang. Is it Bang Bang or Bang Bang Bang? No, Bang Bang. Baby Bang just reminded me of Big Bang. But like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the links in the description down below. Patreon, Twitch. I'm live streaming today at like 7 p.m. PST. Come through. What else? Instagram, just run them every day. TikTok, just run them every day. Facebook, just run them every day. Yeah, and that's about it. Good. This is like the first song I listened to of my day, so I'm definitely starting off with a bang. Again, put in the comments down below what you guys think of IVE's Bang Bang. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.